Chimichurri sauce is a vibrant and flavorful sauce that originates from Argentina and Uruguay. It's commonly used as a condiment for grilled meats, but can also be used as a marinade or dipping sauce. If you're new to making chimichurri sauce, don't worry. It's a simple recipe that can be made in just a few minutes with minimal ingredients. In this post, I'll walk you through how to make chimichurri sauce for beginners. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup fresh parsley. 2. 1/2 cup fresh cilantro. 3. 3 garlic cloves, peeled. 4. 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. 5. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 6. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 7. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. 8. 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: wash and dry the fresh herbs. Remove the leaves from the stems and roughly chop them. Place them in a food processor or blender. Peel the garlic cloves and add them to the food processor or blender. Add the red wine vinegar, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes, if using, to the food processor or blender. Pulse the mixture a few times until everything is finely chopped. With the food processor or blender running, slowly pour in the olive oil. Continue blending until the mixture is well combined and has a smooth consistency. Taste the chimichurri sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. If it's too acidic, add more olive oil. If it's not salty enough, add a pinch more salt. Transfer the chimichurri sauce to a jar or container with a tight-fitting lid. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Tips: 1. You can customize the recipe by adjusting the amounts of herbs, garlic, vinegar, and oil to your liking. 1. If you prefer a milder sauce, use less garlic or red pepper flakes. 2. If you don't have a food processor or blender, you can finely chop the herbs and garlic by hand and whisk in the other ingredients. 3. For a more authentic chimichurri sauce, use a good quality extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar. 4. Chimichurri sauce is traditionally made with parsley, but you can use other herbs like oregano or basil if you prefer. In conclusion, making chimichurri sauce is a simple and delicious way to add flavor to your grilled meats or other dishes. With just a few fresh ingredients and a food processor or blender, you can create a vibrant and flavorful sauce that will impress your guests. Give it a try and enjoy. Like and subscribe.